You're listening to the Daidokoro Video Podcast. Hi, I'm Pat Tokuyama, and you're about to discover some of the tastiest ways to feed your mind, body, and soul. A pharmacist by training, you may know me as the founder of All Day I Eat Like a Shark, the food blog, YouTube channel, or as author of several Japanese cookbooks. If you desire to live a healthy life and are looking for a different way forward with a hunger for growth, then this video podcast is for you. Daidokoro is a Japanese term for kitchen, and I'm glad you're here. With each episode, we're going to be bringing clarity to your cooking by blending Japanese tradition and life lessons into bite-sized bits that even a shark would enjoy. Ready to make some magic happen? So, you're at a sushi spot, they brew you green tea. A classic combo, right? But what if I told you that sweet tea might actually be killing the flavor of the fish? Well, the answer is way simpler than you'd think. It all comes down to two ideas. All you have to remember are two little words, match or contrast. You either match the intensity to pump up the flavor or contrast it to cleanse your palate. Okay, so here are the three essential teas you're going to see most often. First up, Sencha. This is Japan's everyday green tea. It's light, grassy, and cuts right through richness. Then you've got Hojicha. It's roasted, which gives it this warm, kind of nutty flavor. Super comforting. And finally, genmaicha. That's the one with toasted rice, making it savory and really soothing. So how do we actually use these teas with some classic Japanese food? For light fish, you contrast with sencha. For fatty tuna, you match it with a rich gyokuro. And for a big, rich bowl of ramen, that toasty, clean flavor of hojicha is perfect. Now for the really fun part, pairing tea with Japanese sweets. For something like a red bean pastry, the warmth of hojicha is a perfect match for the sweetness. And with mochi ice cream, the iconic bitterness of matcha creates a fantastic contrast. It just works. From light cakes to rich chocolate, believe me, there's a tea pairing for every single dessert out there. But here's the thing. These are just guidelines, not laws. The whole point is to experiment, so now you know the secret. Your next meal is going to be that much better. Go have fun with it. Thanks for joining us today from wherever you're watching or listening from. And if you haven't yet, it'd mean a lot to me if you could share your thoughts in a review on iTunes to let me know what you think of this new video podcast. Then I can take that feedback and make things better for next time. And I'd encourage you to share this with a friend or a loved one, because if you've gotten value out of it, chances are they will too. Want to try cooking Japanese food at home from scratch? Head over to alldayieat.com/aisatsu, AISATSU, to get started today. And if you're new here, make sure to check out alldayieat.com/daidokoro, DAIDOKORO, for all the show notes, bonus materials, resources, and more.